Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are all fine. I'm your science teacher and 8th class. Today we will start chapter number 7, Introduction to Chemistry, page number 78. And the topic is about atomic number, mass number, molecular mass and formula mass. In the previous lecture, I have already told you about the subatomic particles, protons, neutrons and electrons. And in this topic, we will use that how many protons, neutrons and electrons are present in an atom. So first definition is about atomic number. The number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom of an element is called as atomic number. As you know that the central part of the atom is called as the nucleus of an atom. It contains protons and neutrons. So the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. अब ये एटम है ऑक्सीजन एटम है, इसमें प्रोटॉन्स जो हैं आपको नज़र आ रहे हैं 8 हैं. ठीक है, ये 8 किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? इट इज़ रिप्रेजेंटिंग द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ दैट एलिमेंट एंड हियर द एलिमेंट इज ऑक्सीजन. These atomic numbers are represented by a letter. It is capital Z. Now consider the example oxygen. As I have already told you that in it oxygen has protons 8. So its atomic number will be 8. Next is mass number. The sum of number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom is called as mass number. So consider this example. This is the atom of carbon. Its nucleus contains protons 6 and neutrons 6. It also contains 6 electrons. So mass number is represented when protons and neutrons are summed up. For example, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Mass number of an atom is represented by the capital letter A, and it is calculated by the formula A is equal to Z plus N, where Z is the atomic number as we have already studied, and N is the number of neutrons in an atom. So when we add number of protons and number of neutrons, it will give the mass number of that particular element. Example is carbon atom. Carbon contains 6 protons and 6 neutrons. So when we add 6 plus 6, it will be equal to 12. So the mass number of carbon atom is equal to 12. Next is molecular mass. The sum of atomic masses of all the atoms present in one molecule of a molecular substance. आपको मालूम है कि कोवलेंट कंपाउंड्स जो हैं they exist in molecular form, in the form of molecules, and a simple example of a molecule is a water molecule, and it is represented by H2O. So the sum of atomic masses, किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल के में जितने भी एटम्स हैं उनकी मैसेस को अगर सम अप किया जाए तो आपके पास मॉलिक्यूलर सब्सटेंस जो है उसका मैस आ जाता है. ठीक है, अब इसको एग्जांपल को कंसिडर करें. इट इज़ क्लोरीन गैस. क्लोरीन एग्जिस्ट इन डायटोमिक फॉर्म. देयर आर 2 एटम्स ऑफ क्लोरीन. Atomic mass of chlorine is equal to 35.5 atomic mass unit. That is, the atomic mass of one chlorine atom is 35.5. So molecular mass of one molecule of chlorine, it contains 2 atoms. So we multiply 35.5 with 2. So we get 71 atomic mass unit. It is the molecular mass of chlorine gas. Next example is water, H2O. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 atomic mass. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16 atomic mass. 16 atomic mass unit. Molecular mass of H2O will be 2 atoms of hydrogen, as the molecular formula shows that hydrogen are 2 and oxygen is 1. So we multiply the atomic mass of hydrogen with 2 and atomic mass of oxygen with 1 because it contains only 1 oxygen atom. So 2 into 1, 2 आ जाएगा आपके पास, प्लस 16 आपके पास molecular mass आ जाएगा water का 18 atomic mass unit. Next is formula mass. As you know that ionic compounds are represented by formula units. So formula mass, in case of formula mass, we have to calculate the masses of ionic compounds. Definition is sum of the masses of all the atoms present in one formula unit of a substance. यानी इसमें आपने क्या करना है कि जितने भी एटॉमिक एटम्स हैं इसमें उसका मैस लेना है और उसको क्या करना है, ऐड कर देंगे आप, तो क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास, फॉर्मूला मैस आ जाएगा. कंसिडर द एग्जांपल ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड. सोडियम क्लोराइड इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय NaCl. Atomic mass of sodium is 23 atomic mass unit. Atomic mass of chlorine is equal to 35.5 atomic mass unit. So formula unit is equal to NaCl. NaCl जो है इसका सोडियम क्लोराइड का फॉर्मूला यूनिट है, तो इसका फॉर्मूला मैस आप किस तरह से लेंगे कि इन दोनों मैसेस को ऐड कर देंगे, आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा, 58.5 एटॉमिक मैस यूनिट. अब आपका बुक जो है उसमें पेज नंबर 69 पर टेबल दिया हुआ है, ठीक है, 7.3. इट इज़ रिलेटेड to this topic. So please read this table. If you find any difficulty, then you can text on your in charge number. Okay. Hope you understood the lecture and thank you very much. Okay.